Hello everyone, the product I want to introduce is JoinOne AHY200. It is all-in-one video conference solution for small meeting rooms. It has 4-in-1 design which integrates camera, microphone, speaker, and Android OS. This is 4K UHD camera. It has 8 million pixels and supports 1080 pixels for video conference. And the wide angle of the camera is 90 degrees. And here is camera tilting with 15 degrees tilt. You can adjust the shooting height by turning it left and right. Here is hi-fi speaker, and here are 2 microphone arrays with AEC, which make voice pickup range up to 5 meters. This circle is breathing LED lighting. And it powers on blue, turns green while on standby. JoinOne has flexible mounted options, so you can click on the top of the display. As for its hardware, it supports wire connection like 1 gigabit LAN. It also supports wireless connections such as Bluetooth and dual-band Wi-Fi. It has high version of Android 9.0, 6-core of CPU, and 4 plus 16G, which make operation smoothly. In operation system, we have built-in Enjoy software for video conferencing, and JoinOne is also compatible with many apps such as Zoom, Skype, and so on. And JoinOne is easy to set up. Just connect power cable, Ethernet for network, HDMI for video display. It's done for video meeting. And there are 2 HDMI interfaces, so it supports dual screen display for Zoom rooms, one for video display, the other one for content sharing. This is single screen, and it shows Android operation system interface. If you want to record meeting, you can enter camera application. And let's start recording. If you want to end this video, touch here, and there is a recording files. If you only want to record the voice, you can enter the sound recorder application. Start recording, and you can talk whatever you want to talk. Touch here to stop it. And here can check your voice record. If you buy our JoinOne, we have the Enjoy software we pre-installed for video conferencing. Let's start the meeting. And here is the starting meeting button. Touch here and choose the person you want to invite. Hi everyone! And if you want to end this video, you can touch here.